Learn Band 9 answers for your next IELTS speaking interview. Part 1, talking about hobbies. Part 2, learning a new skill. And Part 3, life skills. Pay attention to important vocabulary underlined in the subtitles. The definitions are given in the video description below. Now, let's begin this unique first-person, one-on-one practice interview. Welcome to the speaking section of the IELTS exam. My name is Adrian. I will be your examiner for this part of the test, and I will give you instructions for each of the 3 parts. May I see your identification? What is your full name? For part 1, I will ask you a couple of questions to get to know you better, and some questions on a general topic. What do you do to relax? When do you meet with friends or family? Let's talk about your hobbies. What is your favorite hobby? When do you usually do your hobby? Who do you talk with about your hobbies? Have your hobbies changed over the years? If you could choose a new hobby, what would it be and why? That is the end of part 1. We will now continue with part 2. An important tip for part 1 to get those high band scores, especially when discussing general topics like hobbies, is to sound unique and original. Try to think beyond hobbies such as reading books and listening to music. Perhaps you like to play a musical instrument, like playing the piano. In this case, tell the examiner, I have been playing the piano from the age of 5. Giving details and examples to your answers from the very start will guarantee your path to those great scores. Now, let's continue. For this part, I will show you some questions. You will have 1 minute to read these. Think about your answers. You can take notes in the 1 minute time if you wish, and then you will have 1 to 2 minutes to speak. I will tell you when to start and when to stop. Talk about a new skill you would like to learn. Your 1 minute preparation time begins now. Your 1 minute preparation time is up. Please begin speaking. That is the end of part 2. Please put your note paper and pencil to the side, and we will now continue with part 3. For part 2, the 1-minute preparation time is extremely important. Make sure to stay calm and think about a good answer for the question. Now, this might not be the first thought that comes to mind. Think of 2-3 possible choices and pick the best one. IELTS examiners like to hear connected ideas. In this case, talking about a new skill, learning to sing, is connected to part 1, the hobby of playing pianos. These kinds of connections will help to boost your overall score. When talking about an idea, be sure to include the origin of the idea. Where did this idea come from? What is needed for this idea to become a reality? The requirements, such as singing lessons and money to pay for those singing lessons. Then think about the results, becoming a better performer when a person can both sing and play the piano. To learn your current IELTS speaking band level, send us your MP3 Part 2 recording to this email address, also in the video description, and we will give you a band score estimate for free. To improve your speaking, be sure to visit our websites and use the Student Partner Speaking function for free. Also, when you're ready, use the Speaking Interview Practice to book a half-an-hour professional lesson with a native English-speaking tutor. Now, let's continue. For this part, I will ask you questions related to the topic of part 2. Let's talk about life skills. What are some skills that parents should teach their children to be successful in life? To see the rest of this lesson, and for many more videos like this one, including original practice exams, an interactive course, and an app for your phone, visit and join our premium IELTS package at aehelp.com. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access. Use the code SKILL9 for a 10% discount. Click the link in the video description. We are an IDP affiliate, a British Council partner, an IELTS test registration center, and I'm a certified British Council agent. Just listen to what one of our students has to say.
Hello, I'm Cass from the Philippines. I got an overall 7.5 in the IELTS and a band 8 for speaking. With that grades, I can now fulfill my United States dreams to work and to live there for the rest of my life.
To watch this interview with a candidate from the Ukraine, click the video on the end screen. Good luck the next time you sit your IELTS exam. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch another video. Click right up here. And click our IELTS Hero to join our premium package and get access to all of our videos, practice exams, and a fully interactive course.